Hi, my name's Tom. This is the Kaiser 6.5 to 10-inch high doll stand. It's a pretty straightforward doll stand. It is basically just a metal plate with a stand here, and then it has a this is a black one. It's got little black holders. This is just a black wire. It is a glossy wire. It is painted really well. It's protected. It's not like a silver wire. It's not unprotected, so that's nice. And the way this works is you just kind of pull it up to adjust the height. And the wire itself is kind of a spring there. So as I pull it up higher, there we go. I can actually pull the whole thing out. You can see it's just V-shaped. So it's kind of a V shape. So when you push it back in, it kind of tightens up. So here's the stand, and I'm going to go ahead and push it in. And I can just kind of do that. And just push it back in. There we go. Now, again, it's adjustable. This is for a doll that's about 10 inches high. It should hold it right at the waist. Maybe I'll push it down a little more, depending upon what you're using. I happen to be using it for kind of these hard plastic figurines. We keep these in our curio case, and they do fall over a lot because they don't have any kind of a stand other than the feet, and they're not real well balanced. So what we're going to do, hang on, let me adjust it down a little bit. This is only about a 7-inch high doll, so I'm going to take the wire and I'm just going to kind of bend it and put it around the waist of the Tin Man here, and there you go. And now he will go ahead and stand nice and secure. I can shake him. He's not going to go anywhere because this plate is going to hold it there. Tell you what, let me show you what it looks like on a table. So there you go. He's nice and secure. Bang. He's not going anywhere. The whole table can shake. I can move him around. He might slide a little bit, but he's definitely not going to fall over. So you can kind of see it does keep them up. It does keep them nice and secure. The actual ring itself around the waist is by default it's only about an inch or so wide, maybe a little more, but obviously you can kind of bend it open to fit bigger doll waists. So this is, again, nice and simple, straightforward. Here's a 7-inch doll. It fits really, really well. He stays in there. He's not going anywhere. Again, this is the Kaiser doll stand. It's a simple device, but it works really well, and it does keep dolls very, very secure.